Hello everyone. Today I came up with a video which is useful for children. Is your child struggling to learn multiplication table? Then this video is for them. Let's begin. Let's see the multiplication tables for 1, 9, 10 and 5. As you all know that when you multiply 1 with any number, you will get the same number. So we will start with the multiplication tables for 9. If you see all the multiplication tables, we can see some pattern there. So let's see what is the pattern for 9. The unit place is decreasing by 1. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. The ones place will increment by 1. Let's see how it is. We will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Isn't it very easy? Now let's see the multiplication table for 10. When you multiply any number with 10, you just need to add 1 0 at the end of the number. So now let's see what is the pattern for 5. For 5, only two numbers are repeating. 5 and 0 are repeating. So wherever 0 is coming, you just need to increment by 1. So we'll just start with 0. So wherever 0 pattern is coming, you just need to increment by 1. Again continue with 1. Again increment by 1. So again 0. Again you have to increment by 1. So this is the pattern for 5. Now we will see the patterns for 2, 4, 6 and 8. So 2 and 8 patterns are similar. So we will look into 2's table first. If you see the unit place for 2's table, it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So for the tens place, we will start with 0. And wherever 0 comes, you just need to add 1. So the second line also will start with the same number which is there for 0. So here it is 1, 1, 1, 1. Again, wherever 0 is coming, we will increment by 1. So this is the table for 2. Now we will see the pattern for 8. Same like 2, but it is from 8 to 0. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. So we'll see. Here it is 0. If the next number, the next pattern is less than the previous pattern, you have to increment by 1. See, 4 is also less than the previous pattern, so again we will increment by 1. 2 is less than the previous pattern, so we will increment by 1. 0 is less than the previous pattern, so we will increment by 1. But 8 is greater than 0, so we will just keep the same number. 6 is less than 8, so we will increment by 1. 4 is less than, so we will increment by 1. 2 is less than 4, we will increment by 1. And 0 is less than 2, so we will increment by 1. So isn't it easy to learn 8's table? Now we will see the pattern for 4th table. It's like 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. We'll see how you can place the tens value. We will start with 0. The same trick we can use it here as well. The second pattern is 8 and 8 is greater than 4. That means you just need to follow the same thing. But 2 is less than 8. So you just need to increment by 1. 6 is greater than 2. So you just need to follow the same number. 0 is less than 6. So you just need to increment by 1. 4 is greater than 0. So we'll just keep the same number. 8 is greater than 4. We'll just keep the same number. 2 is less than 8. So we'll just increment by 1. 6 is greater than 2. We will keep the same number. 0 is less than 6. So we will increment by 1. Did you all understand? So now we will see the pattern for 6. 6 is also same like 4. See, 4 is 48260. 6 is 62840. So again, the same trick we can use it here. Starting with 0. 2 is less than 6, so we will increment by 1. 8 is greater than 2, so we will keep the same number. 4 is less than 8, so we will increment. 0 is less than 4, so we will increment. 6 is greater than 0, so we will keep the same number. 2 is less than 6, so we will increment. 4, here it is less than, so we will increment. This is also less than, so we will increment. So now we will go to the next table 3 and 7. So let's see the pattern for 3. You have to write 1 from bottom left to top. So let's see how we can add the tens place here. In the first line, you have to add 0. Second line, you have to add 1. Third line, you have to add 2. And then 30. So now let's see the last number 7. Let's see the pattern for 7. Now here, top right corner, you have to write 1, and that too you have to write it to the bottom. So again, you can use the same trick here. You'll start from 0. If the second pattern is less than the previous pattern, you have to increment. This is also small, so we will increment. The next 8 is greater than 1, so we will keep the same number. 5 is less than the previous pattern, so we will increment. 2 is less than 5, so we will increment. 9 is greater than 2, so we will keep the same number. 6 is less than 9, so we will increment. And the last number 3 is less than 6, so we will increment. And the last number is 70. Isn't it easy to learn all the tables from 1 to 10? Try it out by yourselves. It will be useful for you. I hope you all liked it. For more videos, please share and subscribe. See you all with a new video. Thank you.